how to block pop-up ads on Android or iPhone. So hello guys, if you are facing that issue, so how you guys can fix that? So it was very easy. The process was same for Android and iPhone. So first I will tell you how you guys can block it in Android. So the main reason of pop-up ad was that you must have saved any browser like UC browser or the second is can be Google Chrome. So first thing we will do simply go to browser. For example, if you are using UC browser, so simply you go to UC browser. I am using Google Chrome, so I will simply go to Google Chrome. Once you go to Google Chrome, simply hold on that. Once you hold on that, you guys will see I option. And some devices, you guys will see 3 dots. So simply click on that I option. You guys will do that for UC browser and any other browser that has saved in your phone. So I will simply click on that I option. Once you click here, you guys will see many notification data is a storage usage. So simply click on storage usage. Here you will simply click on clear cache. After that, clear data of your that app. Once you do that, your that problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. The process was same for iPhone. Like in iPhone, you guys will simply go to that browser and also Safari and the data of that app, and the problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching.